Discover downtown student living elevated at 11th and Spruce, a sleek, fully furnished community that blends modern luxury with pulse of the city convenience ideal for students. Choose from 3 room types: studio, 1-bed, and 2-bed apartments, each featuring wood-style plank floors, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, private balconies, in-unit washer, dryer, air conditioning, and walk-in closets for purposeful comfort. The property offers abundant premium amenities, including a fitness center, resident lounge with coffee bar, pet washing station, bike storage, grilling courtyard with fire pit, club room, package service, and secure entry with elevators, combining convenience and culture. Located at 1014 Spruce Street, you're well connected with St. Louis University and Washington University. Travel effortlessly via transit, with nearby bus stop at Tucker, at Spruce Service Building and St. Louis Gateway Transportation Center train station. For quick bites or study breaks, stroll to Southwest Diner, Last Bookstore at City Foundry, or Melt, downtown for coffee and comfort, all within a 10-minute walk. Ready to upgrade your St. Louis student experience? Book your tour and secure your spot at 11th and Spruce today at amberstudent.com.